Today we're going to create a system for automatically forwarding messages from one chat to multiple other chats at once. For this task, we'll be using the Neurallux platform. It allows you to automate actions performed by Telegram accounts without writing any code. First, let's connect a Telegram account. Go to the Account section and click Connect Account. Here, enter any name for the account and its phone number. I'll get the phone number directly from Telegram. Click Connect Account. Telegram will send you a verification code. Enter it on the platform and click Verify. The account has been successfully connected and verified. We're now prompted to import the chats, so let's do that. Here, you can also configure the account's action limit per minute. If necessary, increase it so the workflow can process more messages. Now let's choose a ready-made workflow for our task. Go to the Ready Workflows section. Here, select Send to Multiple Chats. The Workflow Configuration menu will open. In the first field, we need to specify the source chat. This is where new messages will be monitored before being forwarded to the other chats. Let's create this chat first. For this example, I'll use a group, but you can also use a channel or even saved messages. Let's create a group and name it Source. Now let's go back to the platform, refresh the chat list in Chat Picker, and select our source chat. Next, select the chats where the messages will be sent. In my case, these are 4 pre-prepared real estate chats. The next setting is the delay between sending messages. By default, there is no delay, but we can add one so that messages are sent with a short interval between them. For this example, let's set a random delay of 2 to 4 seconds. Next, select the Telegram accounts that will monitor the source chat and send the messages. In my case, it's the same account. All the settings are ready. Click Create Workflow. Now let's test our automation. We'll send a message to the source chat. As you can see, it's automatically sent to the first chat and then, with a short delay, to the remaining chats. Let's send another message. It works exactly the same way. The order in which the chats receive the messages is randomized each time. So, we've now created a ready-to-use automation that forwards messages from one Telegram chat to multiple other chats. It's a simple workflow, but it demonstrates how Neurallux and ready-made workflows work. Don't be afraid to create your own workflows or use other ready-made workflows for your specific needs. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. More videos about Telegram automation will be coming soon.